Is there a way to list Chocolatey packages with their installed directory? The command lists the installed packages. But how do I determine where a Chocolatey application installs? So far I've had to hunt around for them. Some examples. None. It goes to Program Files, x86. Voyager goes to %elusers profile %\chocolatey bin and %elusers profile %\chocolatey lib package name /tools. Consoles went to %elusers profile %\chocolatey lib package name /tools. Is there a flag on Chocolist that will tell me where they went? Chocolatey doesn't seem to do this either. Sort of like Debian's or Red Hat's or Yum's repo query. Homebrew.
Currently, there is no way to do what you are asking. Each Chocolatey package is unique in the sense that it could be a wrapper around an MC or an exe, or it could be a simple extraction of a compressed archive to a known location i.e. c:\tools, or it could be a PowerShell module that extracts to smodula path, or it could be something completely custom. This is a side effect of the Windows ecosystem, where there are multiple ways to do the same thing. Chocolatey is trying to bring some sort of order to this by providing a mechanism to at least find all the packages that you want in one place, but there is only so much Chocolatey can do. If you look at things completely differently, it is possible to pass installation arguments to a Chocolatey package using the following. This URL. This could, in theory, alter the installation arguments of an MC or exe-based Chocolatey package to change where the files are installed to. You can see an example of this approach being used here. This URL. However, this approach is limited. Not everyone takes the time like Matt to mention the possible installation arguments that are possible, and it is quite a convoluted process to extract the installation arguments that are possible to be sent into an MC or exe. In terms of Chocolatey, and as the current maintainer of that product, I can tell you that it does nothing clever in this area. Smile. It is simply a wrapper around the command line tools that Chocolatey provides, and aims to make it easier for people who don't like using the command line.
I found some useful stuff in. Surely, these logs contain lots of redundant, for this case, info. But at least they can be viewed to better understand what actually Chocolatey does.
If Chocolatey generates a shim for the package, for example, your program.x, you can tell the path to executable file by the following PowerShell command. This works only if shim is X file. This is very common, though some packages generate PS1, CMD or even BAT files. In these rare cases this recipe won't work.
This is likely missing some results, but helped me locate some packages.
If you want more Voyager, please press the